students, in today's class I discuss about the gravimetry. Gravimetry is to determine this method the quantity of an analyte based on the mass of a solid. There are the two types of analyte we can obtain, that is the analyte and precipitant. First example is the penicillin G and P, that is converted into the precipitant after the gravimetry. That product is the L-ethyl piperidinium. Next example is the piperazine aliphatic tablet. These are the picric acid precipitant. There are the three factors that determine the gravimetry. First is the PPT should be insoluble, so the no dose occur being filtered. Next, the physical nature of the PPT should be such that it separations from solution by the filtration. Next factor is the precipitate. The precipitate could be transformed into the pure substance having the specific composition. Next is the principle and the theories. Gravimetry is based on the fundamental principles of stoichiometry and mass conversion. Theories, there are the first theory is the law of mass action and reversible. According to this law of mass action, the rate of a reaction is directly proportional to the product of molecular concentration. That is, there are two types of reactions, forward reaction and the opposing reactions. The rate is equal to the BaCl2. The product is the S2SO4 multiply K. K is the constant. K is the constant. K1 is equal to the BaSO4 multiply HCl. That is K1. K upon K1 is equal to the K. There are the equation for the law of mass action and the reversible for the equilibrium. In today's class, I discuss about my topic, that is the gravimetry and the principle and theories.